All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, old enough to have trading accounts, or using their parents' names to make trading accounts. Welcome to tonight's trading session with your host and sponsor, me, Alex Greedy. So, both these trades were winners today. Maybe we won the Aussie dollar yesterday, but the dollar or the Aussie CAD I just closed out. Nothing really much to show on that. The euro was a loser today, unfortunately. I think it smoked this week real bad. Our winning percentage went up though. So, that's good. It's not that good, but it's good. But some new trades here. The EURUSD on down. I think we had the EURUSD yesterday, so we'll go over that. Whoops. This is like the new thing I'm kind of like looking at. Sam Evans trades. These aren't like, there's more like setups than just anything. This one's a setup on my other charts. Just some ideas. This was actually the Aussie dollar trade. Put on the 240. I took profit a little bit. The profit target was down there, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going to keep it. So I just got out early at 2-1. That's what that looked like. Because I'm pretty sure the way Sam trades is like he looks at his weekly chart and he finds the breakout areas. So like, as you can see, that's a swing low for that. It's really confusing. Probably that. Finds breakout on the weekly, looks for a trade on the dollar or the daily. So like that would be his trade. There's a breakout there. So then this would be the breakout right there. If you look at the other charts, you can see the crosshairs maybe. So the zone's above there. So you got this one, but this like touched this bottom part here. I guess no, it didn't. Oh yeah, it did right there. So that's the higher zone. That's the idea. Then you just take it down. So the same rules when it comes to profit targets, at least for me, for my style or whatever. Yeah, some interesting stuff here. This is a daily trade. I do the curve and stuff on here. But yeah, you got your breakout on your weekly, so you got your weekly supply. This would be the breakout. So you got up, down, breakout right here. So there's a daily inside the weekly curve. So it's basically just finding all these breakout areas and taking this trade. So like this would be a trade. And then you can go back. That's a trade on just the daily time frames, and just match it up with like the weekly supply and demand areas. So like on here, it's like in the curve though, it's high in the curve. So you can go back and just zone in, and then you got right here is like the zone, like right there. Take that as the level. Although actually for this one, this is a leg out candle, so that's the base that you take. At least for me. Or you take the whole thing on the 240. This is a 240. Doesn't know 360. So yeah. I'm not taking these trades, I'm just kind of lining them up and see there's a bunch of them. It's right here, not a close below, so sticking with my original rules. Not a close below, so this would be the next area you gotta look at. Up here. Oh yeah, so it's this area right here. So that's the breakout. So that's a zone. That's high on the curve. So I think it would be helpful if you just do this. Hit the button. And then right there. But yeah, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, so maybe even a higher one. But yeah, that just helps because like now you can find look for a breakout. So like for this, the weekly trend is up, but it looks like it's starting to kind of turn around there. The daily trend is down. I don't know. I haven't exactly figured out. Anyways, oops. Moving on. So we got the EURUSD. Just gonna move this over here. So the EURUSD almost hit today. Aussie dollar. I just set this one up a little bit ago. So as you can see, we have the pretty solid downtrend again. So we got a level over here. Moving over here, so that's the level right there. I don't know why that did that. So just go to 60. Bam, that's the level. It didn't close below here, so that's the level. That's why I took it and not this higher one. So you got a solid like 2 to 1 right here, 11 to 22-ish. CAD yen, that would be the other setup we're looking at here. I did end up setting these trades up. They're both, the standard range longs, because it has to go below here in order for us to take it. So it wouldn't be a trend continuation, it'd be a breakout range trade. So that's that. Yeah, here's the euro. It failed. That's okay. Now it's in daily demand. Just to compare it here. Yeah, so it's in daily demand. It's in weekly demand. So, but it's also, there's a breakout here. So we can maybe look for a short, but it is in the middle of the weekly curve. So probably good to profit target area. Wait for some kind of breakout to the upside and to take a trade on that. Or this trade right here, because it's inside the weekly curve, inside weekly demand. So anyways, I'm not taking it. That's just a fake setup. But yeah, so on this, we're looking at just looking at waiting for it to turn around, and then take it to the long side. Pound. Actually, we'll go back to the euro. I'm just gonna delete all this shit. Okay, so going to the pound. We could set this trade up. I have it marked off, waiting on the arrival though. Because, yeah, I don't want it to go low on the curve before it comes back. As you already talked about, the New Zealand dollar is getting closer to breaking out below there. Dollar CAD, same thing, waiting for just the breakout before we can take that. Dollar franc. So this is actually canceled. Yeah, we would have taken this whole candle as the zone. We would have had we'd be up right now, but we didn't. So no entry there. So if you did take the entire base there, congratulations. You're in a trade, or even this, put your stop like above there. Maybe put it substantially above there. But yeah, if you took it the whole zone, good job. Now we're just waiting for price to turn back around and go downwards, or keep going up higher before it goes lower. So dollar yen. Do have to close below here. We have the daily level, so a close below there, below the pink line there, that'll be a signal to go short. Probably look at this level right here. That's where I'd be looking. Alright, so moving on. Euro yen. So we got this long, just waiting on it. Alright, cool. So we have enough here to actually take this trade. It's 91 and 10.8. So there we go. Regular range long, and maybe which euro yen is this? Okay. So there we go. So I'm looking at it there on the euro yen. I didn't see that before when I went through and made the trades, set stuff up. So pound yen is just kind of figuring out what it wants to do. CAD yen, got these trades set up. We already went over that. Aussie yen. Wants to keep playing ball. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see what happens with Aussie yen. See on the daily. Bam, we get a breakout. Right there's the trade. There's the breakout on the daily. And then bam, right there's the trade. Maybe. Might have missed it. Take that, depending on where your stop is. Might have won, but anyways. AUDCAD, already talked about that one. Still heading in the same direction. Euro, Aussie. Just wait on the EURUSD to hit. Hopefully it hits, and then we win. Get another winner or two out of the week. Bring that winning percentage up to 20% this week. We have a winner, another winner. We have 2 more winners though. So we need like 4 more winners by tomorrow to either break even or be just a little ahead. So your opponents we're looking at. You know, Frank, I got this long on here as long as it comes straight down into here or even into the bottom one. Okay, yep, they're both set up. Hopefully just hits the top one and rallies up and makes us moolah. That'd be great. Just adjusting the profit target here. So 1 to 2 exactly. Pound CAD's just a downtrend on 240. So we go upward move here on the pound Aussie. At daily level breakout, demand zone. Breakout, and then, yeah, this by itself is a trade. So it's kind of interesting. Pound CAD, pound franc. Fuck. I'm gonna go to pound franc. I had the pound New Zealand on there by accident. Alright, yeah, that almost hit. This is now a canceled trade. That pisses me off because that would have been another winner. We'd be hitting like second profit target. It's really frustrating. Literally right there if we would have taken that. If we would have done this as like a level on level, it would have hit. But we didn't. And that's it. That's a wrap. So I'm gonna keep looking into that other kind of trading strategy. I gotta come up with a way to keep track of my metrics for trading too, which I kind of have a pretty good idea. So last week was a slow week. This week, kind of a shitty week. We just got smoked. Been trading with me, which is fine. So next week, that should mean we have a lot of winners. So yeah, that's all I got for today, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.